ability to stare into the inauthenticities. Your inauthenticity is ability to look into the eyes of Kala Bhairava. Why do you think Kala Bhairava and Kali are always depicted with big eyes? Because they are constantly exposing your inauthenticity to you, and you are afraid to look into their eyes. If you see Kala Bhairava, nothing other than eyes is there, see. Kashi Kala Bhairava. It is like eyes are having the mouth, lip, nose and ear and hands and legs. Not that body as eye. Eyes are having hands and legs and lip and nose. आपके लोभ और भय दोनों का आधार आपकी अश्रद्धा है. केवल श्रद्धा है जीवन मुक्ति का मार्ग. जो मनुष्य श्रद्धा में रखता है वही जीवन मुक्ता कहलाता है. Only the man who is in authenticity, established in authenticity, is the liberated one. आपके अंदर बाई के स्थिति ध्यान से सुनिए. आपके अंदर बाई की स्थिति तभी उत्पन्न हो सकती है जब आप अश्रद्धा में रखते हैं. आपके अंदर बाई की स्थिति तभी उत्पन्न हो सकती है जब आप अश्रद्धा में रखते हैं. The state of fear can be born in you only when you are inauthentic. I can see when this Gurukul kid Pranavananda, when he came, he was authentic about what he is going to do. Courage of authenticity is the ornament for sannyasi, I tell you. Courage of authenticity is the ornament for sannyasi. Courage of authenticity is the grace of sannyasi. Courage of authenticity should be the Rudraksha for sannyasi. Courage which comes out of authenticity. आपके अंदर बाय की स्थिति तभी उत्पन्न हो सकती है जब आप अश्रद्धा में रखता है. श्रद्धा का साहस ही सन्यासी के गली में सच्चा रुद्राक्ष है. Courage of authenticity is the only true ornament around the neck of a sannyas. With authenticity, even alahala poison cannot do anything to you. With inauthenticity, even if you drink the nectar, you will be cut to pieces. With inauthenticity, Rahu drank the nectar. He did not live. He did not achieve the result of the nectar. He did not achieve what should be achieved by the nectar. He became peace. Still he is living without identity. These two planets are called shadow planets. Do you know? They do not have identity or existence. Shadow planets. With authenticity, even if you drink the alahala poison, it will not do any of its effects. It can't do any of its effects. Because enrichment protects you. Devi protects you. Alahala cannot crush the power of enrichment heart. That is why the poison stood in the nectar in the throat of Shiva. It could not crush his anahata where Devi is sitting enriching. If the enrichment is sitting in your heart, even the poison cannot crush your throat. Authenticity is the ornament of sannyasi. श्रद्धा का साहस ही सन्यासी के गली में सच्चा रुद्राक्ष है. गले में ध्यान से सुनिए. Only with authenticity, love starts flowing. Actually, there was not a single loving word I uttered towards Sahajananda. Last 2 days before, there was a discussion between me and him. I have not uttered a single loving word, but he realized I love him. Because he was adamant on leaving. Where is he? Am I right? I have not uttered a single loving word like I love you, I like you, I miss you, I will miss you. It is Kala Bhairava's love. I have not uttered a single loving word or loving gesture. But he realized, I love him. I tell you, with authenticity comes real love, care, concern. Only with authenticity comes not giving up on people. Not giving up on people. Not giving up on people. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप सच्चा प्रेम को व्यतीत कर पाएंगे. Only with authenticity you can express true love. ध्यान से सुनिए, केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप सच्चा प्रेम को व्यतीत कर पाएंगे. Vijay, why are you getting distracted in Atlanta? Is Narendra next to you? Complete whatever is and then come back and sit, listen. ध्यान से सुनिए. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप सच्चा प्रेम को व्यतीत कर पाएंगे. Drill yourself with integrity, authenticity, again and again and again. Let your thinking become integrity, authenticity. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप दूसरों का उद्धार कर सकते हैं. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप दूसरों का उद्धार कर सकते हैं. Only with authenticity you can enrich others and yourself. ध्यान से सुनिए, केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप दूसरों का उद्धार कर सकते हैं. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप दूसरों का और आपका उद्धार कर सकते हैं। दूसरों का और आपका उद्धार कर सकता है। Whether you or others, you can enrich only with authenticity, केवल श्रद्धा से ही। Enrich people. Go on enriching people in every possible way. Enrich people. It'll happen only with authenticity. Inauthenticity is the pus in you. Unless it leaves your system, neither you are going to be healthy, nor you are going to help people to be healthy. Remove the pus from your system, you will be healthy and you will make others healthy. Inauthenticity is the unnecessary fat in your body. Push it out. No other shortcut. You can't put everything under your carpet. No. Bring integrity. Bring authenticity in every step, in every line, in every thought. In all possible ways, enrich people. That is possible only with authenticity. ध्यान से सुनिए. Listen. In all possible ways, enrich people. That is possible only with authenticity. हर संभव तरीके से दूसरों का उद्धार कीजिए और वह केवल श्रद्धा से ही संभव है. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप दूसरों का और आपका उद्धार कर सकते हैं. Listen. Every time inauthenticity is allowed to live in you, it leaves powerful fear in you. Inauthenticity makes postponing, procrastination as a pattern in you. Postponing as a pattern in you. How many of you can cognize inauthenticity starts in you? The first symptom of inauthentic is postponing. Postponing. हर संभवदारी के से दूसरों का उद्धार कीजिए और वह केवल श्रद्धा से ही संभव है. Continuously bring authenticity to you. It is possible because inauthenticity cannot take roots into you. All your inauthenticity is only roof garden, not rooted garden. Rooted garden only difficult to remove. Roof garden has no roots. Roof gardens are only to the depth of few inches of sand. Constantly, inauthenticity puts you in the state of postponing life. अश्रद्धा आपको जीवन टालने वाली मनोभावना में डालता है. अश्रद्धा आपको जीवन टालने वाली मनोभावना में डालता है. सुनिए, अश्रद्धा आपको जीवन टालने वाली मनोभावना में डालता है. Inauthenticity can put you in the mental state of postponing life. I tell you, postponing life is nothing less than death. when you are not living, even if you breathe, what is the use? Live along with breathing. Live along with breathing. जीवन को टालना मृत्यु के समान है। सुनिए, जीवन को टालना मृत्यु के समान है। Live along with your breathing. Don't postpone. Live along with your breathing. The pattern of postponing, when it settles in you, eats away your breathing period, kills your breathing period, puts you in death, keeps you in death temporarily, even while you are alive. आपके हर सांस के साथ जीवन जीना सीखिए। ये तभी संभव हो सकता है जब आप श्रद्धा और संपूर्ति के साथ जितेन है। सुनिए, आपके हर सांस के साथ जीवन जीना सीखिए। एक तभी संभव हो सकता है जब आप श्रद्धा और संपूर्ति के साथ जीते हैं। श्रद्धा और संपूर्ति के साथ जीते हैं। If you decide to do something, if you decide to express your life in some way, don't postpone. If you are postponing, postponement is temporary death. Unfortunately, the word temporary does not convey the seriousness of the effect by postponement. Postponement is a death as long as the pattern exists in you. Postponement is death as long as the pattern exists in you. टालने वाली मनोस्थिति मृत्यु के समान। टालने वाली मनोस्थिति मृत्यु के समान है। टालने वाली मनोस्थिति मृत्यु के समान है। Go on drilling yourself. Go on drilling yourself. Go on drilling yourself with integrity and authenticity. I tell you, only when you take the risk of stretching to others' anyakara, you will know your power, inner power, miraculous power you are carrying. If you have not tasted the miraculous powers you are carrying, life is boredom for you. You will have life only as a boredom. I tell you, if you see any miraculous power me having, it came to me only when I decided to stretch myself to all your anyakaras. You have no right to have anyakara about me, maybe fact, but that is not authentic. When I am ready to stretch to your anyakaras, I saw the extraordinary powers expressing through me. लगातार श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति का अभ्यास कीजिए. Continuously practice authenticity and integrity. You will experience miracles. लगातार श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति का अभ्यास कीजिए. You will see miracles happening in your life continuously. I am seeing miracles happening in our life continuously. सुनिए, लगातार श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति का अभ्यास कीजिए, तब आप आपके जीवन में चमत्कारी अनुभव को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. Today, I wanted all of you to do the homework of finding out how Dhamma happens in your life, reminding your inauthenticities to you, and how you are afraid of Dhamma and avoid it. Dhamma is the power radiates in my eyes, which you are afraid to look in when you have done something adharma. When you are in inauthenticity, you will be afraid to look into my eyes. What you are afraid of is Dhamma, which is radiating in my eyes. Whenever you are afraid to look at my eyes and you know it will be burning, be very clear. At that time, my third eye is also open. Because I am looking at you with the third eye, you are not ready to look at it. You are afraid. Your inauthenticity runs away. This is the essence of today's satsang. आज के सत्संग सारांश, लगातार श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति का अभ्यास कीजिए, तब आप आपके जीवन में चमत्कारी अनुभव को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। आज की सत्संग का सारांश यही है। With this, I'll move to the next segment of the morning satsang, Dial the Avatar. मैं इन आशीर्वाद देता हूँ उन सभी को जो विश्व के हर कोण से हमारा साथ है। नित्यानंद टीवी द्वारा 715 जगह से 52 जगह से 2-वे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस में नयन दीक्षा लेते हैं। विश्व के कई शहरों से और कई देशों से आप सभी प्राप्त करें, अनुभव करें, जैन व्यक्त करें, प्रसारित करें, बतें और प्रकाशित हो, लाभान्वित हो नित्यानंद से। नित्यानंद। नित्यानंद। धन्यवाद।